Welcome to another lesson on ChatGPT. Imagine a world where AI makes decisions responsibly. Welcome to the journey of ethical AI workflows. Today, we'll explore how to develop frameworks for transparent and sustainable AI use. AI is reshaping our reality. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. We need ethical frameworks to guide AI development. Responsible AI means building systems that are transparent, accountable, and fair, so users can understand how and why AI makes decisions. Next, we identify the key components. Start with data governance. This ensures data quality and privacy. Use diverse data to avoid biases. These guidelines help teams prioritize societal impact. Include diverse perspectives in the development process. Now, let's ensure accountability through audits. Regular audits assess compliance with ethical standards. They help identify areas for improvement. Furthermore, educate stakeholders about responsible AI. Conduct training sessions to build awareness and understanding. Knowledge is vital for long-term commitment. Here's a relatable example. Consider an AI hiring tool. If it learns from biased data, it may discriminate against candidates. By ensuring diverse data and regular audits, we can avoid this trap. In summary, developing responsible AI workflows is essential. Define AI responsibilities, prioritize data governance and ethical guidelines. Remember to foster ongoing education. Don't wait any longer. Start implementing these frameworks in your projects today. Together, we can create a future where AI serves everyone responsibly. Stay connected with us. Thank you.